Hi everyone! Today we're making some easy and delicious bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers in our air fryer. Here's how this one goes. Start with 6 to 8 jalapeno peppers. Exactly how many is going to depend on the size they are when you shop. My store had these kind of short fatties today, so I got 7 just in case. I like to let them roll to see which side they like to lay flat, and then have them on the rounder sides. My cat is watching me do this and she thinks I'm playing with something. This is my special tool today. It's a grapefruit spoon. I use it specifically for coring jalapenos and tomatoes. You could use a regular spoon too if you don't have one of these. Get rid of the seeds and pith so we have a nice clean center to fill. Try not to break through any of the outer walls though, otherwise the filling will ooze out. And it's completely up to you if you want to leave the stems intact. Here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese that I let sit out for about an hour. And then I'll add in 4 ounces of finely shredded cheese. I'm using a mix of these two today to give it just a touch of Mexican flair. And yes, I'm using pre-shredded because I do want the starch to hold things together. Just mix well to evenly distribute everything. Fill each half with just enough to meet the tops. Don't go over because the cheeses will puff and ooze out over the top during cooking. It's better to underfill than overfill. Just a little bit left here, so I'll back over the ones that have a little room to spare. Bad hopper! And finally the bacon. Ooh, bacon! Use a normal or thin sliced bacon so it cooks completely. Make sure to wrap all around and keep the ends at the bottom so they don't shrink away from the top. If you have extra short or small peppers, you could even cut the bacon in half or trim off some of the ends to fit better, but these were just right today. I ended up with 2 slices left over, which I'll save for another recipe this week. No need to preheat the air fryer this time. I'm going to put just enough in here to allow for good airflow around each piece. These need to cook at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, again, depending on their sizes and your particular air fryer. Can you smell the bacon? Keep working in batches though, however many you're making. If you're doing multiple batches, make sure to drain off some of the extra bacon fat off the bottom so that it doesn't start smoking. Adding a couple spoonfuls of water to the basket also prevents smoking. Just make sure to let them cool for 15 minutes or so because the filling is going to be screaming hot. Ooh, there's a little glob of filling that I must claim. Yep, these are just about perfect. Bacon is crispy and peppers are fully cooked and soft. The filling is still warm. Ugh, this is the best. I like to make a double batch of this and we keep it in the fridge and grab 1 or 2 every day. They're good cold, but a quick 30 to 40 second reheat in the mic is even better. As always, ingredients and instructions are in the description box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!